Hey, welcome to the second edition of the Mistakes Review, and I'm back in 2016 with my third video this time. Again, lovely basic media titles, but let's get on with it. So we start off here. This is kind of a two-in-one sort of thing because it's the same situation with this roundabout. So this is the A127 Dunton roundabout, I think it's called, or it's the exit for Dunton where the Ford Technical Centre is. You can see it over here on the left. That's where the Ford Technical Centre is, and it goes towards Leindon. It's the one before the McDonald's, or the kind of roundabout which isn't a roundabout. If you know Basildon and the A127, you should know this. So the gist of this one, I wasn't sure that this was correct or not, but apparently it is a mistake according to one of my lovely commenters who had checked with the Essex Council or something like that, or highways. I'll put the comment up here as well for you guys to see. The gist of it is, when turning right off the A127 to go round towards Leindon, you'll be able to see it from the clip after this as well. But I was thinking that me and the white van are in the correct lane to go off here, and the red car is in the wrong lane. However, it does apparently, according to the highway code as well, according to the commenter anyway, the red car is actually in the right or the correct lane, while me and this white van is not. So let's just I'll play this one through. To be fair, this one's more about the van just being annoying and hassling and then going round. But same situation here on the next video. You can see here I'm entering the roundabout from the A127 and I'm turning right. Addison Lee's car comes up from there into this right hand lane. Now this is all correct until apparently here, when I switch lanes from this second lane to the first lane, this is where I get it wrong. Although, as you can see, a lot of people also get it wrong. I mean, it's just one lane there. I don't know why it's just one lane. They could easily make that 2 lanes. It goes into 2 lanes anyway, so I don't know why. It's just an annoying thing with a roundabout. But I mean, what are you guys' thoughts? Please comment below if you agree with the commenter, or if you think it's just a really poorly laid out roundabout and it should have a 2-lane exit towards Leindon in this case here, because it would make a lot more sense to do that. I mean, at the time I thought I was in the right and the Addison Lee car was in the wrong, as you do when you're young. I say it's only about 4 years ago, but hey ho. Yeah, because this lane, I don't see why it would just be to go off there, because you go along here. I mean, there's no markings to say that it just goes off that way. There's no markings to say the second lane moves over. The markings stop, which doesn't really help. It stops here, and then nothing until some very faded arrows here. So yeah, it's I'm not really sure how to make or what to make of it. I'm not sure to believe the comment or to believe it, because I'm not someone who's going to pester the council over this. I'm happy to take the commenter's word for it, but you know, it's a mistake. If it is correct, it is a mistake on my part. It's a mistake that I have been making every day, because I did that junction pretty much every day for a good few years before before I even started uploading these videos. So yeah, please let me know what you guys think of that one, because it's an interesting mistake. It's obviously one that other people make, because you can see that even the car in front does the same. The white van in the bit before that, you know, this clip here, the white van is in the same lane as well, doing the same thing. So it's obviously a common mistake to make. But let me know your thoughts. It'll be interesting to see. And yeah, I'll just play this one through, you know, in real time. I'm not going to stop it this time. So yeah, I'm in the right hand lane. I want to go right. It's all good here, and this is where it goes wrong. Should be in that right hand lane apparently. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and hope you're enjoying the series so far. Let me know if you're not. Let me know what I could do better on it, and let me know if you want longer videos. So I'm keeping this one a bit shorter compared to the 20-minute first video. So thank you for watching.